As you know, we put Zippy, our smart car, on the Freedom Hauler tote behind our fifth wheel. We drive him up on the same ramps that we use for the spiders. Then we drive him off straight ahead with the same ramps. We tie Zippy down with wheel baskets. We tried single straps, but Zippy had a tendency to walk a bit, so we decided to use wheel baskets. You'll see why in this video. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We like the idea of the tote behind the fifth wheel because we wanted to bring Zippy and our two spiders. The tote has a 2-point connection, which makes it an extension of your vehicle that does not count as pulling doubles, and it won't swivel or jackknife. It's equipped with a pressure-sensing steering axle, so when pressure is applied when turning the wheels, it will automatically steer. It has an onboard compressed air system, which is used to change the position of the axle when traveling either forward or reverse. But you may be wondering, how well does the vehicle ride on the tote? This video will show you what it's like on a smooth road, going through construction on bumpy roads, the roads that have that constant ba-dump, 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 which I'm sure you've all felt. We're also going to show you what it looks like when it makes different turns. And we actually made a wrong turn and we have to turn around in a little business district, and you'll be able to see that as well. Keep in mind, most of these videos were captured from a camera that we had at the top of the back of our RV. So a bit of Zippy is going to be cut off and it will be in reverse. It's going to be like looking in a mirror. So when it looks like we're in the passing lane, we really are not. And if it looks like we're driving in England, we're not. It's just reversed. The speed that you will see on the videos are all the true speeds, except for one section, which you will see I put in slow motion. We also have a camera on the back of the fifth wheel that watches Zippy, so we can see whether or not the wheels are turning, if anything's going wrong, if his hood's starting to come off, which happens occasionally. And I will actually show you what the screen inside of the truck looks like when we're watching Zippy. Dave will give a final commentary about the tote at the end of the video. So that's about it. Now just enjoy the ride. Oh my God, he about rolled off of there. to make sure that we put tape on Zippy's hood because it does have a tendency to want to pop up, and once in a while we'll forget to put it on. We'll have to pull over to put it on. We've actually had somebody pointing at us and letting us know that we were about to lose our hood. We always make a stop somewhere along the way just to make sure everything is okay and the straps are tight. And I would say probably 90% of the time I have to tighten my straps on Zippy. And after watching this video, you can probably see why. Dave, what do you think about how Zippy rides on the tote?
I think Zippy rides pretty well on the tote as far as riding along. I mean, it takes some bouncing, you know, due to rough roads, but I don't think it'd be any different if you drove the car down the road on how much bouncing it would do.
Does Zippy stay put?
Yeah, with the wheel baskets on it, tie it down, it stays pretty well put, but when we hit the road of travel, normally our first stop will go back and check them, and straps will be a little loose, so we just tighten them back up. After that, he's good. Haven't lost him yet.
So how do you like the tote overall?
I think tote overall is real good. I like it. I think it does its job, did everything it was supposed to do, and it works well.
Do they come in different sizes?
They do. I guess, from what I understand from the manufacturer, they'll come up to 12 feet long. So, I mean, they only go so wide. You can get them custom made in the length you want.
Have you had any problems with it?
I've had a couple little issues with it, but other than that, not much.
Would you buy it again?
Oh, yeah, I would.
Is it worth the money?
I think so.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.